We're trying to find some food. Everything around here is so busy though right now. It's like 1 hour wait for ramen. Bar in there. It's nice. I wonder which way we should go. I guess the further away we get from Dotonbori, the less busy it'll be, but maybe some place around here is good too. I don't know. We're on a food hunt now. Nah, I mean, that place looked so busy, didn't it? The ramen place.
Yeah.
There were so many people waiting inside. Cool. It's ramen day after all, man.
Yeah.
Great.
It's our favorite ramen.
Yeah.
Restaurant.
Where?
We
The-
try in Kobe.
Oh, nice. Is that the one with the line? Oh yeah, we ate this one too before, right? Or different location maybe. Okay.
Sweet like coffee.
Yeah. What kind are you gonna get? Fat ramen? I like fat
お好
ramen.
みの設定に変更できます。よろしければ決定ボタンを押してください。
I guess I'll get fat ramen with a couple eggs. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe one extra egg, if possible. I don't know. Or
Please
that's
touch
good too.
print ticket to
Yeah, I don't see-
confirm
actually,
your
it's okay.
order.
How can I order?
Yeah, I don't see any selection on here for
Please insert money.
just one egg is good too. I had 4 already this morning anyway. That's too many. Maybe if I ate 6 today.
Please wait. The ticket is now printing. Please take your ticket and change.
Got a ticket for one meal. Now, which one do you think you're gonna get?
You sure you don't need it?
No, I don't need it. Yeah,
I found it.
no, it's okay now. Yeah, you guys can see they have a bigger selection in the original Japanese menu, I guess. So this menu looks so much bigger. It's hard to pick. Take your
I guess
time.
I get the same one.
Same. Yeah, that one's great. I don't know. You like that? Sure. You positive?
お好みの設定に変更できます。よろしければ。お金を入れてください。
We got the same one.
Nice. It's a good choice.
発券中です。ペンとお金をお取りください。